Feeling that familiar dread when a shipment is late again? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, unexpected delays can throw an entire production schedule into disarray. But what if you could proactively mitigate these disruptions and gain greater control over your timelines? In this video, we will reveal 5 essential strategies for overcoming your lead time challenges and talk about the importance of working with a trusted converter to help minimize this problem. The 5 biggest tips that we recommend when trying to overcome lead times are placing stock orders, paying attention to material lead time, understanding tooling lead times if it's a new order, bringing the right people into the conversation, and staying flexible. One of the best ways to avoid lead time issues is by joining our stock order program. When you do, we will help you plan your production process for the coming months. Typically, we set up 3, 6, and 12-month stock orders so that your future products are ready when you need them. Once they're produced, you can schedule monthly or quarterly releases so you don't get all the product at once. This allows your converter to have plenty of time to acquire the materials and produce the parts, so you can avoid common supply chain issues. Should an unexpected issue arise, like a material being unavailable, the converter has the luxury of time to suggest and source an alternative, allowing you to adjust your internal schedules far more gracefully than if a standard last-minute order were impacted. Keeping track of material lead times is critical because these are often the primary bottleneck. Converters frequently depend on third-party suppliers for materials, and these external suppliers are inherently subject to their own set of potential delays. Material lead times are constantly changing, and they typically represent the longest component of your overall lead time. If a material's lead time becomes excessive, you're empowered to discuss alternative materials or suppliers with your converter, preventing a cascade of delays down the line. Tooling lead time can significantly impact your process if it is a new die cutting project for the converter. If this is your first order with a converter and the process isn't entirely laser or digital knife, custom tooling must be manufactured. Tooling lead times can vary depending on the type of tool. Simple flex tools can get there in a matter of days, whereas simple hard tools will take weeks. More complex hard tools can take months to produce. Just like any other external supplier, the tooling manufacturer can experience delays, which directly translate to a delay in your production start date. Early and clear communication of your design's tolerances is the best way to help ensure a smooth tooling process. As for the right people who can get involved, it's about connecting the relevant experts directly. If your role is in purchasing and your converter starts asking intricate technical questions about your product's tolerances or operating temperature, the most efficient path is to facilitate a direct conversation between your engineering or technical experts and the converter's technical team. Trying to relay complex information through an intermediary often leads to misunderstandings, delays, and frustrating back and forth communication. Finally, staying flexible in this context refers to your willingness to adapt and consider alternatives when unexpected challenges arise. The manufacturing world is full of variables, from supply chain disruptions to unforeseen issues on the production floor. By being open to your converter's suggestions, whether it's an alternative material that performs similarly, a slight design adjustment that eases production, or other creative solutions, you enable them to swiftly navigate these challenges with minimal impact on your project's timeline. This proactive and collaborative mindset is key to minimizing disruptions and keeping your project on track. Beyond implementing these tips, the most crucial elements for effectively managing lead times are thorough communication and proactive information sharing. It's a two-way street. The more comprehensive the details you provide to your converter upfront, the smoother the process will be. On the other hand, it's important to work with a trustworthy converter who will be open and honest with you about any production delays or challenges. If you want to learn more about how working with a converter can help your process, you can visit our Learning Center where we have more articles and videos on these topics, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.